If you're looking for a reliable emergency companion that can keep you connected during storms, blackouts, or outdoor adventures, the Raynic Weather Radio is one of those devices that instantly stands out. At first glance, it looks compact and simple, but once you start exploring its features, you realize it's built for serious emergency preparedness. Let's start with the biggest strength, its 5-way power system. This radio doesn't depend on a single charging method, which is a huge advantage in survival situations. You get solar charging, hand crank, rechargeable battery, AAA battery support, and even AC power. That means even if the grid goes down for days, you still have multiple ways to keep it running. The built-in 5,000 milliamp hours battery is also powerful enough to charge a smartphone for emergency calls or quick messages, which can literally be a lifesaver. Another standout feature is the NOAA weather alert functionality. This radio supports AM, FM, shortwave, and 7 preset NOAA weather channels. It is designed to receive emergency weather broadcasts like hurricanes, cyclones, tornado alerts, and other natural disaster warnings. However, it's important to note that you must manually tune into the correct station and keep it powered on to receive alerts. Once set properly, it becomes a dependable early warning system. The build quality is surprisingly rugged for its size. It's lightweight, portable, and easy to carry with the included carabiner and strap. Whether you're hiking, camping, or preparing a home emergency kit, it fits easily in your backpack. The built-in compass adds extra survival value for outdoor navigation. Lighting is another area where this device shines literally. It comes with a 3-watt flashlight and a 2.5-watt reading lamp, which are extremely helpful during nighttime power outages. The SOS siren is loud enough to attract attention in emergencies, adding another layer of safety. There's also a headphone jack for private listening, which is useful if you don't want to disturb others. In terms of usability, the tuning system is analog, which might feel a bit old school, but it actually works in its favor during emergencies since it's less dependent on digital systems that could fail. The sound quality is decent for its size, especially for weather alerts and talk radio. Now, let's talk about real user experiences. One user mentioned something interesting: how the radio consistently picked up a clear station and even felt personally meaningful during tough times. While that's subjective, it shows how people often form emotional connections with reliable emergency tools. Another user simply appreciated its compact size and multiple power options, calling it a must-have for preparedness. Of course, no product is perfect. The manual tuning can take some practice, and solar charging is slow, meaning you shouldn't rely on it as your primary charging method. But considering it's designed for emergencies, not daily entertainment, these limitations are understandable. Overall, the Raynic Weather Radio is a strong, budget-friendly emergency tool that combines survival essentials into one compact device. It's not just a radio, it's a flashlight, power bank, SOS signal device, and weather alert system all in one. If you live in an area prone to storms, travel often, or just want peace of mind during power outages, this device is absolutely worth considering. It won't replace modern smart devices, but when everything else fails, this little radio proves its real value.